Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to collect money from HoneyBook. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good topic to cover in a video. Before I get into the specifics of how to collect money from HoneyBook, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of getting paid. As a freelancer or small business owner, your income is your livelihood. It's what allows you to pay your bills, save for the future, and live the life you want to live. That's why it's so important to make sure that you get paid for your work. This means sending invoices on time, following up on outstanding invoices, and taking action if you're not paid. How to collect money from HoneyBook. Now that we've covered the importance of getting paid, let's talk about how to collect money from HoneyBook. HoneyBook is a great platform for freelancers and small business owners to manage their clients and projects. It makes it easy to create invoices, track expenses, and get paid. Here are a few tips for collecting money from HoneyBook. Set up your payment terms. When you create a new project in HoneyBook, you can set your payment terms. This will let your clients know when they are expected to pay you. Send invoices on time. Once you've completed a project, send your invoice to your client immediately. The sooner you send your invoice, the more likely you are to get paid on time. Follow up on outstanding invoices. If your client hasn't paid your invoice on time, don't be afraid to follow up with them. A gentle reminder can often be all it takes to get paid. Consider using HoneyBook's automated payment collection feature. HoneyBook has a feature that allows you to automatically collect payments from your clients. This can be a great way to save time and ensure that you get paid on time. If all else fails, you can always take legal action. If you're having trouble collecting money from a client, you may need to take legal action. This is a last resort, but it's important to know that you have options. In addition to the tips above, here are a few other things to keep in mind when collecting money from HoneyBook. Make sure your invoices are accurate and up to date. Be polite and professional when following up with clients. Be patient. It may take some time to get paid, but don't give up. Collecting money from HoneyBook can be a bit challenging, but it's not impossible. By following the tips in this video, you can increase your chances of getting paid on time. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time.